Have you ever stopped to think what really happens to your body when you eat raw garlic before bed? Most people think garlic is just a kitchen spice, something to flavor soup or pasta. But for centuries, ancient healers believed it was medicine disguised as food. And tonight, you'll understand exactly why. Because when eaten at night in its raw, natural form, garlic can awaken your body's hidden repair system. It works while you sleep quietly, deeply, and naturally. By the end of this video, you'll know why this simple habit before bed can change the way you wake up in the morning. And yes, let me ask you something. How often do you wake up feeling just as tired as when you went to bed? How often do you notice your energy fading by midday, your focus slipping, your joints aching just from small movements? Many people over 55 think this is just aging. But science now shows much of that fatigue, stiffness, or foggy thinking comes from low repair activity at night, when your body should be healing itself. Your immune cells, your arteries, even your brain all have a repair shift that runs while you're asleep. But when that shift doesn't have the right nutrients or compounds to do its job, you wake up unrested. That's where raw garlic before bed can make a world of difference. Share the exact bedtime recipe that unlocks garlic's full power. Garlic has been with us for thousands of years. Egyptians gave it to pyramid workers for strength and endurance. Greek athletes chewed it before competitions. Roman soldiers carried it into battle for courage and stamina. And in ancient China and India, garlic was called the medicine for longevity. Even in the 20th century, it earned a new name, Russian penicillin, because doctors used it as a natural antibiotic when modern medicines were scarce. Generation after generation noticed the same thing. People who ate garlic regularly had stronger bodies, better endurance, and fewer illnesses. Now, modern science has finally caught up to explain why. Inside each clove of garlic lies a hidden chemical called allicin. When you crush, chop, or chew garlic, an enzyme called alliinase transforms it into allicin, a compound that only exists for a few minutes, but during that short window, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines known to science. Allicin fights bacteria, viruses, fungi, lowers blood pressure, balances cholesterol, and protects your cells from oxidative stress. But, and here's the secret, cooking destroys allicin completely. That's why raw garlic, prepared the right way, is essential. As we age, our immune system naturally slows down. Colds linger longer. Small cuts take days to heal. Garlic acts like a night guard for your immune system. A clinical study found that people who ate garlic daily were 63% less likely to catch a cold. And when they did get sick, recovery was 2 to 3 times faster. That's because allicin increases the number of white blood cells, the tiny soldiers that attack viruses and bacteria, exactly when your body needs them most, at night. So, instead of sleeping while your body struggles, you're sleeping while it heals. Now, let's talk about your heart. Your arteries are like the plumbing system of your body, and over the years, they can get clogged with cholesterol and hardened by inflammation. Garlic gently cleans and relaxes those blood vessels. Studies show it can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, by up to 15%, while boosting HDL, the good one. It also relaxes the arteries, lowering blood pressure naturally. And when you take it before bed, when your body is in full repair mode, garlic supports the nightly restoration of your vascular walls. Think of it like sending a repair team to clean and patch your pipes while you sleep. By morning, your circulation flows more smoothly, and your heart pumps with less effort. One of garlic's hidden powers lies in circulation and nitric oxide. Men over 50 often experience reduced blood flow not just to the heart and brain, but to other vital areas. This can lead to low stamina, weaker performance, and reduced confidence. Garlic naturally boosts nitric oxide, helping blood vessels expand and improving flow throughout the body. For women, that means warmer hands and feet, better digestion, and improved oxygen delivery to muscles. For men, it supports healthy performance and vitality, without medication. When taken at night, these effects deepen because your body's hormones and circulation are already in a resting rhythm, ready to absorb the benefits fully. Every day, Free radicals attack your cells, damaging DNA, speeding up wrinkles, and weakening your memory. Garlic's antioxidants are like a cleanup crew for those damaged molecules. They protect brain cells, improve blood flow to the brain, and reduce the buildup of plaques linked to Alzheimer's and dementia. Imagine your body's maintenance team working overnight, sweeping away cellular debris, repairing tissues, and restoring vitality. That's what happens when you eat raw garlic before sleep. You don't just rest, you rebuild. After menopause, women lose bone density faster than men. But men are not immune either. Garlic contains compounds that interact with estrogen, helping calcium bind more effectively to bones. It also reduces inflammation in the joints, easing stiffness and promoting flexibility. So if you wake up every morning feeling tight or stiff, this small nighttime habit could help your body restore mobility naturally one night at a time. Our modern environment exposes us to toxins every day from air, water, food, and even household products. In one study of factory workers exposed to high levels of lead, garlic reduced blood lead levels by nearly 20%, while also lowering headaches and high blood pressure. When taken before bed, garlic gives your liver and kidneys a partner during their nightly detox cycle, helping flush out toxins and purify your blood more efficiently. Think of it as giving your body an extra filter while you sleep. You might ask, can I take garlic in the morning instead? You can, but it works differently. In the morning, your body is active and your digestive system is busy. At night, when stress hormones drop and your organs focus on repair, garlic's compounds work quietly and efficiently. This is why eating it 30 minutes before bed can make a noticeable difference in energy, circulation, and even sleep quality. Now, let's go through the recipe. It's incredibly simple but powerful. 1. Take 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves. 2. Crush or finely chop them. Don't swallow them whole, that won't release allicin. 3. Let them sit for 10 minutes. This waiting time is crucial for the enzyme reaction that produces allicin. 4. You can eat it plain with a sip of water, or mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey for a smoother taste and extra immune support, or 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for heart and anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Take it 30 minutes before going to bed. Start small, half a clove if you're sensitive, and slowly increase as your body adapts. Now imagine this becoming a nightly ritual. Night after night, your immune system grows stronger. Your arteries stay clearer. Your energy in the morning feels lighter, more natural. Your mind sharper. And your sleep deeper and calmer. All from something that costs almost nothing and takes less than a minute to prepare. Garlic doesn't work like a pill. It works like nature. Slow, consistent, and real. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend, your spouse, or someone you care about. Because 1 small clove of garlic could truly make a difference in someone's life. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe to Vital Health Guide US, where we share science-backed, natural ways to keep your body strong, your mind clear, and your spirit confident at any age. Try this tonight and see what happens when you wake up tomorrow.